Cosmos is made of 5 elements: fire, earth, water, air, ether. Control these 5 elements and optimize your energy and health. And we have 3 kind of tendencies: Pitta, Vata, and Kapha. So our human body is also made of 5 elements. The whole universe is made of 5 elements, and we are part of the same universe. 60 to 70% of our body and 75% of child body is water. We can't survive without water for more than a couple of days. Water is spread over kidneys, liver, brain, lungs, body cells, and even bones are lubricated with water. The brain and the heart are composed of 73% water, and the lungs are about 83% water. The skin contains 64% water. Muscle and kidneys are 79% water, and even the bones are watery with 31%. So all parts of our body are water, water, and water. A different percentage in different parts of the body, but very important that every single part of the body has a water. So if we control the water element, we are controlling this one of the most important of these 5 elements. The basic cause of dehydration or not taking enough water, losing too much water, or a combination of both. Constipation, headaches, skin problems, pimples, hair fall, digestive problems, and reduced functioning of the mental faculties, weakness, sleepiness, increase in weight. So if you're not drinking enough water, this is what can happen in your life. So always drink enough water to avoid these problems. Even your mental faculties are directly linked with the hydration. Your body is directly linked with the hydration. They say oxygenate, hydrate, and lubricate. This is the mantra of keeping your body in the right shape. Oxygenate, hydrate, and lubricate. Lubricate means massage, oil massage. So this is the mantra of keeping your body into the right shape.
At least, this 7 to 8 liters.
7 to 8 liters a day.
8 glasses of water, 4 liters.
4 liters a day. Good.
3 liter minimum when you are inside. When you are outside, minimum 5 liters to drink.
3 liters when you are inside, 5 liters when you are in the open.
3 liters, sir.
3 liters. 3 to 4 liters.
As per body requirement.
As per your body requirement.
As per your
4
body.
to 5 liters.
As per your body.
4 to 5 liters.
Yeah, 12 cup a day.
12,
12 cups.
12 cups a day. Okay. So these are different answers how much you drink. So let's see next. Depends on the season and activity, but generally 2.5 to 4 liter a day is minimum required. When you are inside AC area, 2.5, 3, 4 liter. When you are outside, 4 and up. When you are in the sun, air, doing a labor work or doing some hard work outside, yes, 4 liter and above. So it depends on the needs of the person. Clear urine is hydrated. A yellow urine is dehydrated. Now these are some of the things which you can do extremely dehydrated. Drink a large bottle of water. Dehydrated, drink 2 to 3 glasses. Mild hydrated, drink a large glass of water. Hydrated, you are drinking enough. Keep it up. Actually, coffee on these can be this chart can be put in your house, in the toilets, in the office toilets, in the site toilets, so that everybody while urinating can understand where do they stand on the dehydration or hydration and immediately take the quick actions to recover. I have already seen in many of the sites in Dubai, this chart is available in all the toilets, but not all the sites. So this is a very good chart to keep in the sites or house toilet or office toilets, so that all the people using the toilet, they can immediately make out whether they need some more extra water or they are okay with the water. Drink your solids and eat your fruits.
Like water you have to sip by sip, eating like that.
Okay, so please explain what is the meaning of that.
That means whatever the fluids, you should not drink one swallow. Sip by sip you have to take the water. Like
Okay, now first is drink your solids. What does it mean?
that. Whatever the one swallow you have to eat like that. That's like.
So once you drink your, yes, anybody likes to explain? Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So when we are eating, we don't eat whole plate at once. We'll eat little by little. So same thing you have to do with this thing. We have fluids. That is, eat fluids means you have to take little by little, and that's what I understood. And,
It is not recommended while eating
Eat the fruit means
Yeah.
actually time.
So when you are drinking solid, you are chewing so much that you make it liquid, and then that is called drinking the solid. You chew it. Your saliva energy is very strong alkaline energy, which helps a lot in the digestion and which helps a lot in the improvement of your health. So always chew so much your food that you drink your solids. And when you are drinking water, take sip by sip, mix with saliva, and then take it inside, and that is called eat your fruits. So eat your fruits and drink your solids. So whenever next step you are now drinking, always eat your fruits. And when you are having a small snacks after this, drink that time. Take water sip by sip like wine. Take all saliva inside with water. The pH value will always be good. Saliva is very alkaline, and especially the first saliva in the morning after the good night's sleep is the most alkaline. So drinking water in the morning before brushing the teeth, before doing anything, your morning saliva should go inside you when you are drinking the water in the morning. Drink 200 ml to 250 ml at a time for good absorption. Don't drink too much water at a time. Drink one glass at a time, then give a gap, then give another glass, so that water gets fully absorbed. It's get totally absorbed. Always drink water in sitting posture, never in the standing posture. So always drink with a calm and cool mind in the sitting posture, and don't gulp the water. Sip by sip in a sitting posture, mindful be about it, and take about sip by sip. When to drink? Drinking warm water 2 to 4 glasses in the morning is excellent for cleansing your digestive organs and blood. You may add honey, lemon, turmeric powder, cinnamon for making it more effective. Morning means immediately after getting up, so the time that
Time to laugh.
Time to laugh. Yeah, the laughter benefit.
It will make you more sexy.
It will make you more sexy. 42. Never drink cold fridge water and ice water, as they are very harmful. Lukewarm water is very beneficial. You know the Japanese have the best health in the world, long life in the world, long average in the world. And what is their mantra?
Drink hot water.
Hot water, warm water throughout the day. Throughout the day they keep drinking warm water or warm tea, herbal tea or herbal tea. So something we can really learn, that throughout the day warm water or herbal tea throughout the day. Improve quality prana energy of water by keeping 12 hours in bronze container or earthen pots. So this is from the science of Ayurveda, that done or by drinking solar water. Very easy to implement, but solar always do in this kind of bottles, glass bottle, never put a plastic bottle. In fact, plastic is a killer. Plastic bottles should not be used at all. So always use this kind of bottles. You put it for 24 hours, 12 hours in the sun, and then drink that water. So normally one day you keep it, and then next day you drink that water. That's very good. And while doing the solar, also see that there is no plastic component. For example, if there is inside plastic component, then you don't use these caps. You can just put a tissue box, tissue paper on this. There should not be any plastic element in the cap when you put it for the solar, because that otherwise creates problem. So if it is totally metallic, then it's okay. Otherwise, put just a tissue paper on this to cover it. You can always improve quality of keeping 12 hours under the sun and make it solar. Always drink water with higher pH value. These days, some of the manufacturers, they give pH value on the water. So those with higher pH value is good. You can choose that. Yeah, alkaline water or higher pH value, same as
What should be
alkaline water.
minimum?
No, I'm not a brand ambassador for any manufacturer, so I'll not name any manufacturer. Next slide is showing that. So the optimal pH value is 7.35 in our body. That's when you keep it around 7.35 or little higher, your body functions at its best. Your healing mechanism, pH value and alkalineness has a lot to do with your healing mechanism, with your rejuvenating mechanism, with your repairing mechanism. Repair mechanism is functioning very well. So Anthony must be having 8 pH value. Yeah, so if the pH value is low, you are more acidic, and acidity means a lot of problems, inflammations and ulcers and all those things come with a lower acidic value. When the acidic value is higher, alkaline, you get more alkaline water, food. So all this improves the pH value. Time to laugh! Throw the ball.
Is there?
Who hit the ball last time? Saab ke paas. Throw the ball. Name anybody who has not spoken before. Good, you choose a neighbor, that's good. Okay, laughter benefit.
Laughter connect us together.
Laughter is good connection. Connects us together. Let's connect it. Let's get connected with laughter.
Laughter is contagious.
Laughter is contagious.
Laughter is contagious. Be a carrier.
Be a carrier of that. So let's convert the pandemic into happy-demic with laughter.